Oh my god, it's freaking cold. Gotta get in the shop. Gotta get this thing off the lift and finish putting coolant in it. This is how the track days normally start. Cold and, or not always cold, but super early in the shop in the morning. And I'm scrambling to pick up tools and get ready to go. And this time, I'm cold, scrambling to pick up tools and get my car rebled and on the trailer ready to go. Got about 45 minutes to do everything. And then we're heading to the track, so I'll see you guys there. We made it out of the track today, third event this time. Got the car here, a little bit less stressful this time. Campsite setting up, and we got a little special surprise when we pulled up. So now we are officially D2. I'm super excited. Got some buddies that are a little bit higher class I want to drive with, and it's gonna be really, really fun. So my alignment's pretty messed up. The toe is like wearing the tire real bad. We literally spent forever trying to get that one broke loose. I got my boys out here helping me, they finally got it. Now I'm over here chomping down on some Zaxby's. I got my boys that worked on a Pro 2 team dialing in my alignment for me. It's freaking sick. So now we're gonna get good tire wear, get back on track, hopefully get some tandems in. It's gonna be fun.
That is perfect zero toe.
Yeah. The hair, it's a hair towed in, but it'll toe out like you said.
Perfect.
That's perfect. Want zero toe? Sweet.
Hell yeah.
Let everybody kind of go first. So no one's in your way.
it? I was afraid of that.
Hard putting this swap in or no?
What was that?
Was it hard putting the swap in or no?
Hard as in the amount of work? Or
Yeah, amount of
fitting?
work, pretty much.
Sorta.
Yeah.
He's like mad at them, they're going so slow. I think the belt just went again. Kinda felt like it.
Hell yeah.
My power steering belt kept popping off a minute ago. Pop it back on, and then we can keep going.
Oh yeah.
That's what it's acting like, because it still runs. It just probably shot all the boost out and killed it. Probably. I think the intercooler pipe popped off. Nope, another belt. Damn it. Oh shit. It broke this, but the belt broke again.
Uh-oh.
That's the end of our day.
Yep. Where did this come from?
Man, that one broke violently.
All right, so the day's going super well. Keep having a couple little weird issues. We've thrown, this is the second belt, so we had one go out earlier and we fixed it, which this was happening when I first got the car like running. But I put this bracket on the back of the power steering, and I thought that fixed it, but apparently it's not. One of my buddies is telling me that the water pump seems like it's out too far, so that's probably what's throwing the belt. And it actually took part of my sensor with it for the ECT, so, and actually part of the sensor down there. So I gotta get that fixed up, and that pretty much kills our day, but it was super fun. I got some new like off-brand tires in the back, and it's actually been working pretty good, so all in all, pretty fun day, and hope you guys enjoy the video. If you do, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.
What the fuck?